Misplaced your device? If you've previously set up Find My iPhone, you can use it to locate your device on a map. Then you can play a sound from the device, put it on lost mode to remotely lock it and display a message, or erase all of its data. Let's take a look at these options. To start, tap the Find iPhone app. Then enter your Apple ID password. And tap Go. If you haven't enabled location services on your device, you may be prompted to turn them on now. This feature will allow you to see the distance between you and your lost device. You'll also see a list of devices that have Find My iPhone enabled. The Find My iPhone feature can be set up on your iPhone, iPad, iPod Touch, or Mac. When you set up this feature on your iPhone, any Apple Watch or AirPods paired with the device will also be set up. A green dot means the device is securely broadcasting its location. Now tap the device that you would like to locate. And tap Actions. If you believe your device is nearby but still can't find it, tap Play Sound. Your misplaced device will chime, so if it's nearby, you can hear it. If you still can't find your device, you can protect its contents with a couple of helpful options. First, let's look at Lost Mode. Lost Mode remotely displays a message on your misplaced device and locks it with a passcode. It also allows you to track its location while it's missing. To start this process, tap Lost Mode, then tap Turn on Lost Mode. Now enter a phone number where you can be reached. This will appear on the lost device with a message to contact you. Tap Next to continue. Find My iPhone has a default message to accompany your phone number, but you can customize it here. When you're ready, tap Done. And now anyone that finds your lost device will see your message. Lastly, if you need to, you can erase the contents of a lost device. Once you do this, you cannot track the device, so be sure you're ready before taking this action. For more helpful tips like this, subscribe to the Apple Support channel or click a video to keep watching.